Hi, this is Tim Havens, NW0W, and I'm trying to demonstrate my drive-by application that will eventually be monitoring power line noise as I drive around with GPS coordinates related to it. So this is a simulation of RF noise and how the drive-by app works. So I'm going to use gnuradio and a HackRF One to simulate the RF noise, and then I'll show you how this works. So starting up gnuradio. So it's transmitting right now on 50.075 megahertz. It's very low power. It's going directly into the RTLs through a attenuator. So now I'll start up the web app, and I can do that just by clicking this one button right here. That starts everything, and you'll start to see the live charts and graphs coming up. So right away it sees 50 megahertz at a high RF level. I can turn it off and you'll see that drop. That's the blue line and this graph. So it's not transmitting anymore, and it drops down to the noise floor. That's the actual noise floor. All four of the dongles are now running. You can see that they've come off of 0, which is the max, and are reporting the actual noise floor on those frequencies. So it's pretty low for a dongle, which is actually pretty high. But anyway, it's all relative. So I'll start up gnuradio again. Start this guy, and right away he starts transmitting, and you'll see the graph reacting in real time. Okay, so now I'm going to change frequencies by clicking this little guy, and then you'll see 50 megahertz drops and 2 meters comes back up. Okay, and now I'm going to go to 222. 2 meters will drop and 222 will come up. And then 432. 222 will drop, 432 goes high. So this shows that I can basically inject some noise into this system and graph it real time. Now at the same time, while this is running, I can bring up a map, and you can see where the hotspot is. So this is Google Map with my data plotted over the top of it. This is all coming out of this little Beaglebone system. So now I'll shut off the noise source. This guy will drop. And everything basically goes to the actual noise floor, which is roughly minus 80 from these RTLs. And then I will stop everything. So I could click stop all. It's a little slower, but then I'll stop GPS. I'll stop the RTL for 6 meters, 2 meters, 222, and 432. And you can see they all go to 0, which is just basically telling me that it's not doing anything at this point. And the live graph reflects the same thing. And that's it for this test. Just thought you might want to see it.